What's up guys, it's Gautam here. It has been so long since we have made a video right here, so here is a video for you. And this video is definitely going to be a nightmare for most of the YouTubers out there. So recently YouTube has brought a policy change in its monetization in 2018. So in this video I'm going to explain you what is the policy change that has been made in the YouTube monetization. If you are a first time visitor here, do consider subscribing into our channel and also hit the notification bell icon so you'll never miss any update when a video goes live here. With that being said, let's get started. So last year 2017 there were few changes in the monetization of YouTube. So that is having 10,000 views for your YouTube channel. Only if you have 10,000 views in your YouTube channel you can apply for YouTube monetization. So now YouTube has gone one step further to make things very worse for all the mid-level YouTubers out there and also the growing YouTubers. So the recent monetization update from the YouTube is that if you are a new YouTube channel and if you want to monetize your videos, you should have minimum of 1000 subscribers and also you should have a overall of 4000 hours of watch time of all your YouTube videos. The total watch time of all your videos in your YouTube must have at least 4000 hours of watch time. So that is what the update that has been given from the YouTube side, which means this is really going to make the situation very worse for all the growing YouTubers out there and also the people who are starting a new YouTube channel. This is going to be definitely a big obstacle for most of the YouTubers, and this is definitely going to be a downhand for YouTube also. So this step was made because of the boycott of the advertisers that was made in 2017. Since there are many YouTube channels right now and everyone are coming with the motto to earn money just like that, create channels and leave it and go. So that is the reason why YouTube has taken this step to minimize all those spam YouTubers and all those stuff. So that is the reason why they have come across with this monetization update. This is definitely going to be a big downfall for most of the growing YouTubers out there and also going to be big challenges for most of the YouTubers and growing YouTubers and also the small YouTubers. But if you are already having monetization set up, this is not going to affect you. If you are applying for a new monetization, then this is going to be a nightmare for most of the YouTubers out there. So I'll leave that policy change link in the description below. If you want, you can go there and read it out. Hope you have found this video useful. If so, give this video a huge thumbs up and also share this with your YouTube friends. Let me catch you guys in the next awesome video. With that being said, I'm Gautam and I'm signing out.